darlings, welcome to a brand new video here on my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Black Friday 2020. Oh my goodness, I know it is super duper early, but if you watch to the end of this video, you will know why I am bringing this video to you earlier than ever before. I have been a busy little bee doing lots of research into trends, retail trends, forecasting to predict what Black Friday is going to be like for 2020. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some shopping tips, some predictions as to which retailers are going to be doing the best sales. And I'm also just going to be sharing a little bit of an insight into how Black Friday 2020 is going to be just a little bit different. Darlings, I'm excited to be working with ShopTagger on today's video. If you watch to the very end of this video, I am so thrilled to share that I have a $5,000 giveaway with ShopTagger, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win that $5,000 shopping spree at one of your favorite retailers. And if you're not familiar with ShopTagger, ShopTagger basically helps you save money and save you time when you're shopping online. It uses very clever technology to scan the internet for all the best deals, so amazing all year round, but especially amazing when we are looking for buying gifts and of course ahead of Cyber Week. It's basically an app for your phone or your computer, which means that you're never going to miss out on any of the best shopping deals. The best thing is it is totally free to use. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below, and I'll be letting you know a little bit more about how you can use ShopTagger, especially during Cyber Week, throughout the video. My most recent experience using ShopTagger was when I was actually preparing my coat collection video for you guys, because ShopTagger is a really great way of getting notified when some of your favorite things come back in stock. A lot of the coats that I was sharing with you in that video were old, they were from last season, they were from a few years ago, but retailers, and especially during sale periods, of which of course we have a huge sale period coming up, often bring some old stock back into stock online. So what I did was add my old coats to my ShopTagger, and that way I will receive a notification when they come back in stock, and I can let you guys know when they come back in stock as well. Why I would highly recommend downloading it before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, in fact the whole of Cyber Week, is that you get real-time notifications when the items that you've saved on your ShopTagger, and it's so easy to do so. You will be one of the first to know when these items go on sale, because you'll get a little notification either on your phone or in your inbox as soon as these items reduce in price. I have saved myself so much money on some retailers which I didn't even think there would be a coupon code for, whether it's ASOS or Farfetch. In fact, I don't think I've ever checked out on those retailers without using a ShopTagger coupon code. It literally saves you money and you have to put in zero effort. I literally don't know why anyone wouldn't use it. So it's super duper easy. Literally download the browser button, just go to one of your favorite stores, click the button which will now be saved onto your browser, or this little slider whenever you see an item that you want to save, and then you can get the notifications via email or a mobile push when an item that you saved has gone into the sale or has come back in stock, which is really useful during Cyber Week because things do sell out so quickly. Something that can help you get organized for Cyber Week as well is you can also organize the things that you've saved into multiple wish lists, and this just helps you to organize your shopping for Cyber Week. And then, as you can see when you go to the checkout page, ShopTagger scans the whole of the World Wide Web for coupon codes and automatically applies them at the checkout. They also have a new cashback feature, so you can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from certain retail partners. So darlings, there will be a link down below to download ShopTagger for free. Make sure you download it on your web, on your computer, and on your mobile phone to save the most money during Cyber Week. Okay, so let's talk about Black Friday and Cyber Week 2020. Let's start with the basics. Black Friday this year is going to be November the 27th. It's always straight after Thanksgiving in the US, or the way that I like to think about it is it's the last big payday before Christmas. Obviously this depends on when you get paid, but for most people I think we get paid at the end of each month. So it's the last big payday before Christmas, aka the perfect time to buy yourself a treat, or more importantly buy your Christmas gifts at a huge saving. In my personal experience, I find that it's the biggest and best and most wide-reaching sale of the whole year. To be honest, there haven't really been any other standout sales that I have noticed this year other than the Nordstrom sale, so this is going to be the big one. I think it's really interesting to think about how Black Friday 2020 will be different, and of course it's going to be different this year for many reasons, has been a totally bonkers one. And because of everything that's gone on, our shopping habits have changed hugely. Since the start of COVID, there has been a whopping 74% increase in online shopping. So the first way that Black Friday is going to be totally different this year is that so much more of the Cyber Week sales are going to be online as opposed to in-store. Now, I know that you guys are from all around the world, but here in England, in the UK, we have just been put on a 1-month lockdown. Another lockdown. Non-essential stores are closed. We are basically housebound. So actually, we have no choice. Here in England, here in the UK, we are going to have to do our Cyber Week shopping online. Elsewhere in the world, if shops are open, then it's safe to say the shopping experience is going to be unlike the Black Friday shopping experience from previous years. We're going to be seeing shops putting into place a lot of social distancing measures to make sure that everyone is safe when they're doing their Black Friday shopping. Think about your experience if you went into a store or a shopping centre last Black Friday. Think of all the people. That is just not safe and not sensible given the fact that we are living through a global pandemic. I say this every year because I personally think that shopping online is just so much easier and less stressful. You can literally do it in your pajamas or in your jogging bottoms from bed. But this year, with the added stress of potentially catching a coronavirus, I think that shopping online is going to be the #1 way, more than ever, of shopping at the Black Friday sales. So as a result of that, I think that we're going to be seeing a lot of changes from our favorite retailers. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of exclusive codes, a lot of discounts which are only available online. I think retailers are going to want to encourage us to shop online. I've already seen some of my favorite retailers that I know do big things at Black Friday, amping up their web presence. One of my favorite jewelry brands has actually completely switched to a new website host because they predict such a huge increase in sales over the Cyber Week. So I keep mentioning Cyber Week here, and if I look back onto previous years, retailers have historically started launching their sales on the Tuesday, on the Wednesday before Black Friday, which I know is annoying because actually Friday is the payday and the day that we all get really excited about. But I think this year we are going to be shocked at how early the Black Friday sales are coming. I have already seen the B word coming into my inbox, and on the day of filming it's more than 20 days until the actual Black Friday. In my honest opinion, my true prediction is that we're going to be seeing the Black Friday Cyber Week starting the full week before Black Friday. So yes, the Friday before I think is going to be the day that we start to see sales trickling in, but I think it's the Monday, not Cyber Monday, which is the Monday, the 30th of November. No, I think it will be Monday the 23rd, the day before my birthday, that we see most retailers going into their Black Friday sales. Monday the 23rd, I think that is the day that most retailers will do their Black Friday sales in 2020. Now I have to say, I'm actually quite happy about that. I think that so many of us are starting to think ahead a little bit more this year. Yes, we are wishing away 2020 because what a year it has been, and I think that a lot of us are planning our Christmas shopping earlier than ever. Personally, for me, Black Friday is the time that I do most of my Christmas shopping, because then it means I can get even more for my friends and family and loved ones. And let's face it, we need something to look forward to. So I don't know about you, but my Christmas decorations are already up. I'm fully in the Christmas spirit in early November this year. On the flip side, I know that some people might actually be holding back more than ever this year for their Christmas shopping. Of course, there is huge economic uncertainty because of the virus and the US election, but I think given that the Black Friday and Cyber Week sales this year, people are going to be making the most of those discounts more than ever to save themselves some money over the Cyber Week. So I've mentioned that I think that retailers will be launching their sales earlier than ever this year, and I think that unlike previous years where they've maybe played it a little bit safe, dangling the carrot a couple of days before Black Friday, this year all the rules are going to be out the window. These retailers, at least here in England, their stores, their physical stores are shut. They are not going to be taking any risks. This is the time when they need our help, they need our support to keep them going, so they are not going to be taking any chances. They want to be the retailer that you go to for your Black Friday shopping, so they are going to be trying to launch ahead of their competitors. So we're going to be seeing so many more early discounts this year. Having said that, I do not think, my prediction is that the sale amount, the discounts themselves, I don't think are going to be any bigger. I think the hype will be bigger, but I don't think the actual discounts will be bigger. I'm not allowed to tell you any specific details, but of course I work really closely with so many retailers throughout the year, whether that's homeware retailers, jewelry brands, clothing retailers. I work really closely with them throughout the year, and especially throughout this time of year. So I have been privy to a little bit of secret information about what the retailers are doing for Black Friday. I cannot tell you yet, I'm so sorry. All will be revealed very soon. And let me tell you, they're starting earlier, but their discounts are going to be no bigger than last year. So if you're hoping to save even more money, at least for the retailers that I talk about a lot, I don't think that will be the case for Black Friday 2020. Another prediction for Black Friday 2020, I'm predicting technical glitches. Yes, I said it. I think because we are all going to be doing our Black Friday shopping online this year, these websites are going to get overwhelmed, and I think that we should be prepared to be patient with our favorite retailers. Don't go sending any angry messages to customer support because no one has experienced anything like this before. So I would say it's more important than ever that we save our wish lists, get your items saved in your shop tagger, create those wish lists so that you can be prepared and you can be organized to shop as soon as the sales go live, and not get into a panic when the masses arrive to do their shopping and there may be a few technical glitches on these retailers' websites. Another slight glitch that I predict this year is much slower delivery times. As I've said, here in England we are in lockdown, and let's face it, everything just goes out the window when we're in lockdown. Some of my favorite retailers that usually deliver next day delivery are having delivery times up to 6 to 8 to 10 days. So I think a little bit of patience is definitely going to be needed this Cyber Week. So I don't want to repeat myself from past years, because in previous years, especially last year, I have done full videos dedicated to shopping mistakes to avoid over the Cyber Week and my top tips for shopping Cyber Week. So I'm going to leave those videos linked on the screen and down below. So definitely check those out if you would like some really in-depth technical tips on how to get the most out of Black Friday. But my top tips this year, as I've mentioned already, create a wish list. I think we're going to be seeing a lot less frivolous shopping this year. We are all so much more aware environmentally and financially of the impact of our shopping. So I think we're going to be seeing way less frivolous purchases. We're going to be seeing a lot more considered shopping decisions. So make a plan. Is it a bag that you've been lusting for? Is it a Christmas gift that's absolutely perfect for your neighbor or someone that's helped you out a lot this year? Whatever it is you are shopping for, plan ahead, create those wish lists, and what you could even do is add those items to your cart ahead of Cyber Week, ahead of Monday the 23rd, so that you are literally ready to go as soon as you get the notification that those retailers have gone into the sale. Darlings, I feel like I need to give a little self-plug here, because as I have done in the previous years, I will be helping you out so much over the Cyber Week. I will be doing a daily newsletter with my edits of the top sales, so that you don't have to sign up to all the retailers to find out when their sales are launching. I will let you know, so do sign up to my newsletter. I will leave that linked in the description box down below. On my blog, I will also have a Black Friday hub. You can have that page bookmarked, and every single hour I will be updating that with the best sales so that you don't miss out on any. And I'll also be creating some really lovely edits to help you choose the best bits, and so that you don't go spending loads of money on impulse buys. As always, I recommend investing in really good quality pieces that are going to stand the test of time. Don't be tempted by these massive flash sales from fast fashion retailers. Make sure whatever you're buying is going to stand the test of time and be in your wardrobe for years to come. This is the time to save money on those investment pieces, which I talk about all throughout the year. Maybe they've just been a tiny bit above your budget, but a 20 or 30% off could make them far more in reach this Cyber Week. I will also be doing videos throughout Cyber Week, so make sure you are subscribed if you're not already, because I'll be bringing my very own edits and tips throughout the Black Friday week, and I'll be working with some of my favorite retailers to bring the best of the sales straight to you. I would also say make sure you're following me on Instagram. I told you this was a self-plug. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because on Instagram stories I can do swipe ups really quickly to the best products. Last year I know so many of you swiped up and got yourselves an absolute steal on on the most beautiful classic Stuart Weitzman boots, even iPhones. I know I managed to find the most insane savings on iPhones. So as well as downloading Shop Tagger, make sure you are signed up to my newsletter and keeping an eye on my blog for regular updates for the very best edits of what are the best discounts and the best pieces to buy for a classic and timeless wardrobe this Black Friday. And finally, I'm going to let you know my predictions as to which retailers will be doing the best sales this year. Of course, we're going to be seeing American brands like Target and Walmart doing massive things. Hopefully they will implement social distancing in their stores. Hopefully they'll let the elderly and the vulnerable in first. But online, I'm predicting retailers like John Lewis are always a massive one. I really hope that they will do something big this year, and I think that they will, especially with the lockdown. I think they're going to be really wanting us to do our Christmas shopping with them online, so I'm predicting big things from John Lewis. I know we've already had Amazon Prime Day, but I don't think Amazon will be able to resist doing some extra sales during the Cyber Week, so I think we'll see some really big things from them. I have already seen some home furnishings companies like sofa companies already launching their Black Friday sales. All the Black Friday sales that are crazily already live are already on the Black Friday Hub on my blog, so that will be linked in the description box down below. I think we're going to be seeing some mouth-watering deals from jewelry brands. Looking at who did amazing things last year is a really good prediction as to who's going to be doing amazing things this year. Missama, Majuri, Monica Vinader, Astrid and Miu. I think we are going to be seeing some very, very nice deals from those retailers. And then I'm predicting site-wide discounts such as 20% off everything, 25% off everything, maybe 30% off everything on some of our favorite high street stores like Topshop, Mango, ASOS. And I think we're also going to be seeing some really good deals for beauty products as well. I'm hoping we'll see massive discounts on retailers like Cult Beauty. I know it's overwhelming. I will be working my socks off to bring you edits and make it more bite-sized this Cyber Week 2020. Okay, darlings, the time has now come for me to share the details on how you can win yourself a $5,000 gift card to your favorite store. And yes, the winner will be chosen on November the 24th, so make sure you do all this before then. You'll receive the voucher on November the 25th, so just in time to make the most of the biggest day of Black Friday savings, which is of course November the 27th. So all you have to do if you want to be in with a chance of winning this insane prize, which would literally make my Black Friday, I would definitely choose, okay, I think I would go with Farfetch or Net-a-Porter. I don't know, I would definitely choose to put the voucher into one of the luxury stores because I'm all about saving on those investment pieces. So all you need to do is download the Chrome extension, which as I said will be listed in the description box down below, totally free. And on your phone, you must do it on your phone as well, and save at least 3 things to your wish list. Say 3 things to your Shop Tagger wish list. Maybe it could be 3 things that you're hoping will go down in the Black Friday sales, or maybe 3 things which you're hoping to be reduced so that you can treat someone that you love to an extra special gift this festive season. Just add 3 things to your Shop Tagger wish list to be in with a chance of winning the $5,000 voucher. So that's the absolute minimum, but I would recommend adding more than 3 things to your wish list. The more that you add, the more that you play around with Shop Tagger, the more you increase your chances of winning. All the information will be linked in the description box down below. Good luck. You must do all of this before November the 24th. The winner will be emailed on November the 25th. Good luck. Oh my goodness, so exciting. It will literally make someone's Cyber Week one to remember, that's for sure. But darlings, I really hope you have found this video useful. I hope you found it interesting. Let's all try to have a really sensible Black Friday. Let's not go crazy. Let's make really good purchase decisions. We don't want to be returning a load of stuff. We don't want to be filling our wardrobes with loads of things that we don't really need. Let's try to invest in really good quality, timeless pieces, and yeah, make some really good purchase decisions. I will be helping you and holding your hand along the way. I know I'm so cheesy. But darlings, yes, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my future Black Friday content, shopping edits, and of course my vlogs. I will be doing Vlogmas this year, but I am already vlogging pretty much daily anyway, so make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on. Check out my Black Friday videos from previous years because I think you'll find them really useful. And leave me a comment down below with the #1 thing that you are hoping to grab at a discount this Black Friday. Darlings, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.